Thickening the soup, a journey through English expressions. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, thicken the soup. It's a common expression, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out together. Thicken the soup is an interesting expression. At its core, it refers to the process of making soup denser or more concentrated. But, like many phrases in English, it can also have a figurative meaning. In a broader context, it means to add substance or depth to something. This could be a conversation, a plot in a story, or an argument. In cooking, to thicken the soup means adding ingredients like flour, cornstarch, or cream to make the soup less watery and more robust. This is a practical skill in the kitchen and a great metaphor for understanding the phrase's deeper implications. In everyday language, when someone says they need to thicken the soup, they're often talking about adding more content or detail to make something more interesting or convincing. For example, if a story feels too simple, a writer might thicken the soup by adding more plot twists or character development. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In cooking, the soup is too thin. Let's thicken it with some cream. 2. In writing, your article is good, but you need to thicken the soup with more facts and examples. 3. In conversation, the discussion is too superficial. We need to thicken the soup by bringing more profound insights. And that's it. Thicken the soup is a versatile phrase used in both literal and figurative contexts. It's about adding depth and substance, whether to a meal or a conversation. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.